Hey bros, in this video the hacker breaks into the NERF Patrol's house and they have a NERF war. Be sure to subscribe to show that you are a true NERF fan and a member of our happy family. And don't forget the shoutouts are at the end of the video.
Alright, NERF Patrol, I hope you're ready to get blasted. Locked doors don't stop me, NERF Patrol. Just a little hacker technology. Now you're going down. NERF Patrol, come out here and fight me. Get out here, NERF Patrol. Oh well, I guess he's not home. Darn. Hey, there's his hat. Maybe he's not on patrol. Maybe he's out to lunch. Or maybe he's out buying donuts. Figures, it's empty. Ooh, look at these blasters. Very nice. The new NERF Elite 2.0 blasters. I like these. I think I'm gonna act like the NERF Patrol and unbox this gun. So here's the blaster, and it looks really cool. It has 3 tactical rails, one on top, one on the bottom, and one on the bottom of the handguard. You have a front barrel attachment here, and a stock attachment here. You have a slide here, and it's used to prime the blaster. It has a 6-dart cylinder, and it says Elite 2.0 and NERF in orange and Commander in white on this side, and on the other side it says Elite 2.0 in orange, and then the NERF and the Commander in blue. I really like the new blue color that they're using with these NERF Elite 2.0 blasters. The grip is a good size, and I like how you have the handguard to protect your hand. The blaster also comes with 12 Elite 2.0 darts, and that's nice because it gives you double what the capacity of the blaster is. The new color schemes of these 2.0 Elite darts are cool too, the blue with the orange tip and the orange with the blue tip. To use this blaster, all you have to do is load the darts in the cylinder, prime it like this, and fire. Whoa, this blaster is more powerful than I thought it would be. So the next thing I want to do is chrono this blaster. Let me go find his chronograph. Alright, so I'm going to chrono these darts at 1 gram and 12.7 millimeters wide. 74.3 FPS. 76.9 FPS, 75.4 FPS, 77.1 FPS, 73.9 FPS, and 77.2 FPS. So the lowest was 73.9 FPS, the highest was 77.1 FPS, and the average was 75.6 FPS. That's pretty awesome. Hopefully this blaster will be accurate enough for me to hit that target. Alright Jackson, you stand still while I test out this blaster on you.
What? Door's unlocked. Hacker, what are you doing here?
Huh? Oh, I'm just checking out your new blaster.
You unboxed my blaster?
Yeah, and it's awesome. I'm not afraid of you, NERF Patrol.
Nice try, hacker.
Great, I made it. This Walmart map is so much better than Retail Row. Now I just need to shop for my loadout. There's so many blasters here. All right, where are the NERF Fortnite blasters? Let's look around. Oh, here they are. All right, let's see. There's so many to choose from. Let's take a look at this one. The NERF Fortnite ARL. I really like legendary scars. I think I'm gonna take this one. Let's put this in the basket. All right, I could use a pistol. Let's see. That's awesome. The NERF Fortnite SPL. I think this legendary suppressed pistol will be a perfect secondary to the scar. I'm gonna take this. Oh, a harvesting tool. This is cool. This will work really great. I'm getting this. All right, maybe one more thing. Hey, this NERF Fortnite HCE looks pretty cool. I like hand cannons. And it's epic. I'll get this one too. All right, I've got my blasters. Let's see what else is in this store. Wow, look at this tank. This is amazing. I wish I could take this back with me. Too bad I can't. Oh wow, a fishing pole. This is pretty nice. It's got an open face reel. And the pole feels good. Yeah, I like this. I'm gonna take it. All right, now I need to find a back bling. It should be close because the lady said it's right by the jewelry department. What? DJ Yonder? He's got his own merch? How did he get a t-shirt? That's crazy. I need my own t-shirt. I'm cooler than he is. Is this it? Yeah, here they are. Let's see, what do they have? What is this? The Avengers? They've got merch too? No fair. What else do they have? Hey, this is nice. I like how shiny it is. This looks really cool. And it fits good too. I think I'll take it. All right, let's go find some more stuff.
What the? First the zombies here, now drift. Oh, he's gonna learn today. You should have never came to this Walmart. Oh yeah, I got you now.
Huh? Uh-oh.
Oh, shoot, I missed.
These Walmart employees.
Yeah, gotcha. Don't ever come back to my Walmart. Dang, I gotta put all this stuff away. Fishing. I want to go fishing. I want to go on vacation. Need it. This is what I need. You want these? Never come back to my store. Hurt somebody. You know what's hurting me? I'm missing my lunch. I'm 15 minutes late to lunch. I don't like that.
The first shout out goes to Lightnings, Creations, and Stop Motions. The next shout out goes to Moo Yan. The next shout out goes to Big Sexy. The next shout out goes to Fernan Pro Covers. The next shout out goes to Jamie Inigo. The next shout out goes to Army Guy 177. The next shout out goes to Neville Hammond. The next shout out goes to Always Jolly Abby and Jerome. The next shout out goes to Steven. The next shout out goes to Shambo. The next shout out goes to Sassy Cathill. The next shout out goes to Diem Nguyen. The next shout out goes to Jisna Eunice. The next shout out goes to T Money Bailey. The next shout out goes to Drupad Pradeep. The next shout out goes to Adela Durand. The next shout out goes to Hello There. The next shout out goes to Rockstar Gamer Tips and Tricks. The next shout out goes to Amanda Bernal. The next shout out goes to Anna Jones. The next shout out goes to Shafali Khanna. The next shout out goes to Jamie Entertainment. The next shout out goes to Andre Mariano. The next shout out goes to Kakashi Hatake. The next shout out goes to Temple Nazi. The next shout out goes to Amalia Kazugod. The next shout out goes to Sinister Demons. The next shout out goes to Tesla's FN. The next shout out goes to Logan Lee Dates. The next shout out goes to Jonathan Bills. The next shout out goes to Drew Partlow. The next shout out goes to Aiden Still. The next shout out goes to Jaden Barajas, Edgar Taronas, Dalen De La Rosa. Hey bros, if you want a shout out, then go to the community tab on our channel and go to the most recent post and type I want a shout out.